Bullish ENJ value forecast is $0.675 to $4.745. Enjin coin, ENJ, cost could likewise reach $4 soon. Bearish ENJ cost expectation for 2022 is $0.397. In Enjin coin, ENJ, cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, Rival, and other data about ENJ to examine the future development of the digital currency. Enjin coin, ENJ, current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Enjin coin, ENJ, is $0.4996 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $49,332,530 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, ENJ has diminished by almost 5.74% as of now. Besides, Enjin coin, ENJ, has a flowing inventory of 1 billion ENJ. Enjin coin, ENJ, exchanges digital money trades like Binance, FTX, FMFW.io, OKX, Whitebit, and Upbit. What is Enjin coin, ENJ? Enjin coin, ENJ, is an ERC20 symbolic local to the Enjin stage, a gaming local area stage. It was sent off in 2017 on the Ethereum blockchain. The exchanges of ENJ are gotten in the organization by the confirmation of work, POW, component. ENJ is utilized to purchase, sell and exchange NFTs the Enjin environment. In this way, these tokens serve essentially as utility tokens for support NFTs. Clients and designers can utilize Enjin, ENJ, to mint and make novel and game NFTs. Alongside ENJ, the Enjin environment additionally has another token called Affinity Token, EFI, which is the administration badge of the local decentralized Enjin metaverse. Enjin environment empowers clients to use its local blockchain items to make remarkable NFTs for organizations and particularly in the gaming business. Enjin coin, ENJ, value expectation 2022. The above graph of Enjin coin, ENJ, spread out a falling wedge design. In a falling wedge design, both the upper pattern line which associates the highs and the lower pattern line which associates the lows meet downwards. The wedge design overall demonstrates a pattern inversion. Particularly, the falling wedge flags a bullish inversion. This example shows a breakout in the cost pattern towards a rise. As of now, Enjin coin, ENJ, is in the scope of $0.499. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of ENJ could arrive at the obstruction levels of $0.706, $1.163, $1.996 and $4.745. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of ENJ might tumble to $0.470. Enjin coin, ENJ, backing and obstruction levels. The outline beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Enjin coin, ENJ. The graphs show that Enjin coin, ENJ, has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, ENJ could run alongside the bulls overwhelming its opposition level at $1.921. In like manner, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Enjin coin, ENJ, could dive to nearly $0.397, a negative sign. Enjin coin, ENJ, value forecast 2022, Rival, Mama, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Enjin coin, ENJ, is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of ENJ lies underneath the end line, demonstrating feeble members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, Mama, of Enjin coin, ENJ, is displayed in the outline above. Prominently, Enjin coin, ENJ, cost lies under 50 Mama, present moment, so it is in a downtrend. Presently, ENJ has entered a bullish state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ENJ whenever. In the interim, the general strength file, RSI, of the ENJ is 35.73. This implies that Enjin coin, ENJ, is in an oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of ENJ might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange Enjin coin, ENJ, value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file, ADX, of Enjin coin, ENJ. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Enjin coin, ENJ. Right now, the ADX of ENJ lies in the scope of 21.78 and hence, it shows areas of strength for A. The above diagram additionally addresses the general unpredictability list, RVI, of Enjin coin, ENJ. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of ENJ lies under 50, demonstrating low instability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Enjin coin, ENJ, is at 35.73, subsequently affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of ENJ with BTC, ETH. The underneath outline shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Enjin coin, ENJ. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of ENJ is like BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of ENJ likewise increments or diminishes separately. Enjin coin, ENJ, value expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Enjin coin, ENJ, could likely achieve $5 by 2023. Enjin coin, ENJ, value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Enjin coin, ENJ, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ENJ could energize to hit $6 by 2024. Enjin coin, ENJ, value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Enjin coin, ENJ, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, ENJ would mobilize to hit $5. Enjin coin, ENJ, value expectation 2026. If Enjin coin, ENJ, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, ENJ would mobilize to hit $8. Enjin